It is 11 at night. Mike opens the fridge. There is no milk. He needs it for his cereal in the morning. Without milk, no breakfast. Everything nearby is already closed. The only store still open is the 7-Eleven down the street. He puts on his shoes and grabs his keys. Just milk. That is all he needs. He steps outside. The street is quiet and dark. He walks into the store. The lights inside are very bright. Everything smells good. Mike walks toward the milk, but on the way, he stops. The hot food counter catches his eye. The fried chicken smells amazing. He thinks, maybe I need a snack. He picks up some chicken. He moves to the drinks section. He sees iced coffee on the shelf. It looks good. He takes it. Why not? Then he sees the chips. These chips are new. He has never tried them before. He adds them to his basket. Now Mike has milk, chicken, coffee, and chips in his basket, but he is not done yet. He finds the candy section. Dark chocolate. He loves dark chocolate. He puts one in his basket. At the checkout, Mike looks down. His face goes red. He came in for one thing. The worker at the register smiles. She says nothing, but her smile says everything. Mike pays and walks out with a big bag. The bag is heavier than he expected. He holds it tight. The street is dark and quiet. Mike is tired. It has been a long day. He thinks about the chicken. It smelled so good in the store. But it is almost midnight now. It's too late to eat. He just wants to go to bed. He will take the chicken to work tomorrow. It will make a good lunch. Mike gets home. He puts the milk in the fridge and everything else on the counter. He looks at the bag and shakes his head. He only needed milk. He turns off the kitchen light and goes to bed. Tomorrow morning, cereal with milk. Tomorrow afternoon, chicken for lunch.